Hello everyone, and welcome back to Educational Psychology channel. In this video, we have an exciting topic to discuss. Charlie Munger's insights on the psychology of human misjudgment. Charlie Munger, the renowned investor and business partner of Warren Buffett, has extensively studied and shared his thoughts on the cognitive biases and misjudgments that affect human decision-making. So, let's dive into the details and explore Charlie Munger's profound understanding of the psychology of human misjudgment. Charlie Munger. The Psychology of Human Misjudgment. Section 1. Introduction to Charlie Munger. Before we delve into Munger's insights, let's briefly introduce Charlie Munger. Born in 1924, Munger is an American investor, businessman, and philanthropist. He is best known as the vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway and Warren Buffett's longtime business partner. Munger's deep understanding of human psychology and his ability to apply it to investment decisions have made him a highly respected figure in the field. Section 2. The lattice work of mental models. One of the key concepts Munger emphasizes is the lattice work of mental models. He advocates for developing a multidisciplinary approach to decision-making by integrating knowledge from various disciplines, including psychology, economics, biology, and physics. By doing so, we can enhance our understanding of the complexities of human behavior and avoid common pitfalls. Section 3. Cognitive biases and misjudgment. Munger's insights on cognitive biases and misjudgment provide valuable lessons for investors and decision-makers alike. Let's explore some of the key biases he has identified and how they impact our decision-making processes. Subsection 3.1. Confirmation bias. Confirmation bias, a well-known cognitive bias, refers to our tendency to seek and interpret information that confirms our pre-existing beliefs. Munger warns that this bias can hinder our ability to objectively evaluate evidence and consider alternative viewpoints, leading to poor decision-making. Subsection 3.2. Incentive-caused bias. Munger highlights the influence of incentives on our decision-making. He argues that when we have a strong financial or personal incentive tied to a particular outcome, we are more likely to develop biases that align with that desired outcome. This bias can distort our judgment and compromise our objectivity. Subsection 3.3. Social proof. Social proof, another cognitive bias, describes our tendency to rely on the actions or opinions of others when making decisions. Munger emphasizes the importance of independent thinking and cautions against blindly following the crowd, as it can lead to herd mentality and irrational behavior. Subsection 3.4. Availability bias. The availability bias, as described by Munger, refers to our tendency to overestimate the importance or likelihood of events based on how easily we can recall examples of similar events. This bias can lead us to make judgments and decisions that are based on vivid or recent memories rather than objective data. Section 4. Learning from mistakes. Charlie Munger emphasizes the importance of learning from our mistakes and understanding the root causes of our misjudgments. He encourages individuals to reflect on their past decisions, identify the biases that influence them, and make conscious efforts to avoid repeating those mistakes. Section 5. Applying Munger's insights. Now that we have explored Munger's insights on the psychology of human misjudgment, let's discuss how we can apply these insights to our own lives and decision-making processes. Subsection 5.1. Cultivating mental models. Munger's lattice work of mental models provides a framework for expanding our knowledge and understanding of various disciplines. By actively seeking diverse perspectives and integrating different mental models, we can enhance our decision-making abilities and mitigate cognitive biases. Subsection 5.2. Developing critical thinking skills. Munger emphasizes the importance of developing critical thinking skills. By questioning assumptions, challenging our own beliefs, and seeking alternative viewpoints, we can enhance our decision-making process and minimize the impact of cognitive biases. Subsection 5.3. Continuous learning and self-reflection. Munger advocates for continuous learning and self-reflection. By regularly updating our knowledge, staying curious, and examining our own biases, we can improve our decision-making abilities and adapt to changing circumstances. In conclusion, Charlie Munger's insights on the psychology of human misjudgment provide us with invaluable lessons. By understanding and addressing cognitive biases, learning from our mistakes, and cultivating critical thinking skills, we can become more effective decision makers in various aspects of our lives. Thank you for joining us in exploring the profound wisdom of Charlie Munger, and we'll see you in the next video.